Tired of seeing that iCloud Storage full notification? Let's see if you can finally use that Apple gift card to solve the problem. First things first, can you actually use an Apple gift card directly for iCloud Storage? The short answer is generally, no. Apple subscriptions like iCloud Storage are typically billed to your Apple ID balance, or a credit or debit card on file. Here's the workaround: redeem your Apple gift card. Open the App Store app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, select Redeem Gift Card or Code, enter the code manually, or use your camera to scan it. Tap Done. This adds the gift card amount to your Apple ID balance. Now, go to your iPhone settings, tap your name at the top, select iCloud, tap Manage Storage, then change storage plan. If your Apple ID balance now covers the cost of the storage plan, Apple will automatically use it as the primary payment method. Just in case your gift card balance runs out, make sure you have a backup payment method like a credit or debit card added to your Apple ID. This prevents any interruptions to your iCloud Storage. To do this, go back to your Apple ID settings, tap Payment and Shipping. Here, you can add or update your payment information. And that's it. While you can't directly pay with the gift card, adding the funds to your Apple ID is the perfect solution. Enjoy the extra space.